This train has no light on. It might have actually split in half. Yeah, the light is off.
Or it's just very dim. That's weird.
Yeah, the only light there is on it is the bottom light. You see that? The very bottom light is on. That's
not very bright.
Yeah. Well, that's weird.
Yeah.
Is it a runaway?
No.
No, it might
It's
have.
blowing its horn.
Oh, yeah, it's definitely not a runaway. Yeah, I did just turn on its bell. Oh, wait a sec. One of our lights is actually blurred out. Off. What? What? Well, we are in for a treat right there.
Well, the light on the back works.
Oh, yeah, at least that is. What is
There
that?
we go. All right.
Hey, what is that?
Now we're going to call it a night now, right?
Yeah, we'll see you guys later. Bye-bye. Actually...